Alright YouTube, I've just about completely got the right hand side apart. We traveled for a while. School has started, well, digitally school has started back, so I've not been out here much working on this, but I do have every single piece off of the beam on the right hand side. Shins, landslide, this is the share, all the brackets under here, and the wings on that slatted mold board. This is the axle and bracket for the coulter. Jeez, couldn't dig that up. All of the parts that have numbers on them, which are most of them, including these braces. That one I had a real hard time making out, but this other one is pretty easy to pick out. They're all IH parts. Like I said, the slat, the wings are IH, and they all say SC, which I believe makes them Super Chiefs. And I thought I had the wrong share on the right side, but it's the same length and the same part number and all. It's just, and I think there's two ways to tell, by the number on it, and also that it's a 3-bolt instead of 4. So this is just a Plow Chief share that had Super Chief shin and mold boards on it, which I think they're interchangeable parts anyway. I have found the blue paint, so I've got my mold board color at least now known. I was not real sure about that to start with, but so they're all, I've got them sort of cleaned up. I know that once you paint them and drag it through the dirt, the paint is not that big of a deal, but they're there. The other thing I've got going on that I've got to figure out how to fix, this square bolt is the only thing I've got still holding this beam to the plow frame. It's in there pretty good. You can't get a wrench on it because of where it sits in the valley. You can put the wrench on it, but since it doesn't sit down on it well there, or even if you can go this way, it doesn't sit in at all. It's pulling off. I have found some 8-pointed sockets online for 15/16, but they have an outside diameter that still won't fit in this gap right here. So I'm still trying to figure out how we'll do that. But that's the next project. But anyway, it's been a while since I've been out here working on this, and I just want to share the folks that are following where we are. But that's it, and I'm going to get back to work here a little while before it gets dark and the mosquitoes start to haul me off. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.